Hello. One thing that can be improved in Neovim is the file manager. The file manager is not bad, but I think it's becoming like old and not worth to use. Many of the Neovim users that I follow, they prefer to use a plugin like Oil or just use the terminal to handle the file system. The good news is that there will be a new directory plugin in Neovim 13. So in this video I'm going to talk about this plugin and I'm going to show how to use it. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, first the pros of this new directory plugin. I've been using it and I did some code to add new features in this plugin, and it feels smooth. It is tiny, light, and you can customize it. So it seems that it is the right direction. Now the cons. It is just a beaver. You can modify the file system in this new plugin. So it does not replace at all the old one, okay? This is a point. And I think it's far from plugins like Oil. But I think it is the right way. It feels fine. It feels smooth, okay? Okay, now let's see how to use this new plugin. And remember, you have to be in the 13 version of Neovim. So you have to clone the current version. I'm using this one, okay? This is a nightly version. Now, to open the file browser, you can press, let me put the screen key. You can press hyphen, or you can use edit and a folder. For example, the current folder. Okay. Now you can go deeper, and to go back, you can press hyphen 2. The hyphen works with numbers too. For example, if I'm here in this file that is in the level 2, I can press 2 and hyphen, and I return to the level 1. Okay. Now, one thing that I really like it is that you can toggle this, pressing hyphen and enter. I do this a lot in using Oil, and I really like this. You can just toggle the file browser. Very satisfying. So now if you add a new file, for example, file, you can refresh the file browser using R. And there are some things to customize this. I have some examples here, but there are 2 points to do this. First, an auto command, dir.post, and some things that they call decorators. Okay. Let's see an example of a decorator. The Vim API provides this method, and you have these 2 callbacks. In this on range, you have the lines, and you can put virtual text here. Okay. So in this example, I'm adding an icon in every file. So let's run this example to see it. Decorator, and there you have this icon. Now you can have an auto command, and this will be executed every time the file browser is loaded. In this example, I'm just hiding the dotfiles. So if you notice, I have a git ignore here. And if I run this example, hide, and then I refresh the file browser, the dotfiles are gone. Now, in this another example, I'm using the auto command to change the order of the files. I'm just changing, I think is an order based, the inverse order based on names. So let's run this example. Sort, and then I refresh the file browser, and here they are sorted in another way. Okay, and finally I can add a preview for the files. I did a video about this some days ago, and someone of the Neovim team comment me that I can do this in this file explorer. So I did it, and it works fine. For example, if I run this, and then I switch between the files, I have a preview. Okay. Now, if you want to know more about this, many of the examples are based on the help. You can type help and dir, and you will have a lot of information here. So I hope you like it. See you.